This week the EURUSD, after the reaching here the 1.0844 price level, the price has made a retrace up to 1.08846, which is the next resistance, acting before as a support. The price has retested and then reversed back down. We can see that on the Monday the price has reversed back up and retrace, retesting the previous support, now acting as a resistance. And we can also see here a downtrend channel, a line that is acting as a resistance, and then the price has formed a bearish engulfing bar right here where they're making a retest. In the previous analysis I have mentioned that the price could make a retrace and then making a retesting and then continue to move down, and this is just what has happened. Inside the community I have also put some kind of entry price levels which has acted correctly just as it was done this week. We can see that after the price has making a bearish engulfing bar, the price has made some kind of test of this supply demand zone and then retracing back up. After that the pressure that is still currently here around 1.08846, we can see this, the price has made again additional bearish candlestick, and then the price continued to move down to the lower part of this demand zone, reaching 1.076. These levels were mentioned in the previous week, and also check it out and see how this has gone. Now let's see how this looks on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, after the price has made a retest, making a retrace back up, retesting the previous support, now acting as a resistance, the price has gone down and reaching this area where the demand zone is, where the buyers are waiting. We can see the price has reached 1.076, which is also here a critical level for the price that was mentioned in the previous week analysis. Now we can see that after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is the 6 weeks in a row that the price is going down, so it is a pretty big bearish market overview. Let's see how this looks on a monthly time frame. This one is also completely bearish. We can see that the whole month is completely bearish, but we had an attempt to move to the higher price levels, but the price continued to move down. The critical level was here 1.083, which has been broken, and the price has continued to move down to the next one, which is 1.0789 price level, especially 1.07825 as support price level. Now based on this, we have still next week to end this month, so there is still possibility that the price could make some kind of move, reaching lower levels with its week up to 1.073, and also this is 1.07 price level. This is still open even though the month has not ended still, and one of the critical levels are this one here. We can see it. This one still needs to hold the price to be inside this area, but if the price stays here inside 1.098 and 1.078, the price will continue to bounce around these price levels. So very critical levels for the bears and also for the bulls is this one, 1.073, and also on the upper side to stay a little bit bullish is still here 1.083 and also 1.086. Now let's check this on a weekly time frame how this looks. After the price has made a strong bearish move, we can see that the prices stop it just right here, and we have the price reaching this price level here 1.076, and the next one is also 1.075, which is also 1.76. Below that we have 1.074, which is also the next level where the price will stop, make a bounce, and also 1.073, and below that is this one here, which is 1.07. I have mentioned this just in the monthly time frame. Now how this market looks on the weekly time frame, the price has stopped just here, which is a strong monthly and also a weekly support level, so it will be a little bit hard to predict where the price will for sure go, because we need to have some kind of a breakout on the weekly time frame to have a clear move. The price did not close below this one, below this demand zone, so it's not clear that the price will continue to move down, reaching 1.07 price level. So there is a possibility that the price will make some kind of a bounce from this area and then making some kind of move. Will it move sideways or moving down? That all depends. So for now, this is very unclear for me where the price needs to move, so I'm still waiting for the breakout. Now let's see for the daily time frame how this looks. After the price has made bearish engulfing bar, the price has continued to move down, and the price stopped here at the weekly and also monthly and currently daily support price level. We can see in the past the price has reached 1.076, but also this week the price has reached with this week. The day did not close at this price level, lower down, but it has closed above, which is also a great signal for the bulls that have managed to prevent the sellers to push the price even more down. We can see it's very critical level. The prices in the past has closed the day here and then reversed back down, up, and then going back down again. But in this case, the price is stopped just right here. We can see that this bearish channel, which is now following, the price is now following, we can see there is still room between the support and also the resistance. So for now, as it looks, the price is being squeezed down, but everything depends. It can also happen that the price moves here, then being squeezed up to the upside, the price pushing, going to the higher price levels. This also is very critical level for now. We can see that on the lower price levels, the critical levels are 1.076, and then below that we can see it is here 1.073. It is also the start of this one area here, which we can see it here in the past. It has acted as a strong resistance, but also we can see it here in the past. It's also the next one. This level is in between this resistance and this support. So if the price goes inside, there is high probability that the price will continue to move down at 1.067. Very important level is this one here, 1.07, which is on a weekly and also monthly time frame. So there is a possibility also that the price reaches this area here. I need to see where the price will go. Will the price continue to move down? If the price goes on the Monday or Tuesday and closes below 1.076, I am then open that the price will continue to move down and reach 1.07 price level, because that is the next one after the price breaks this one. If the price goes up and reverses, the first level where the price needs to break on the daily time frame is 1.081, and also this one 1.082. If the price closes above, this will mean the price has gone outside of this small daily channel that is preventing the price to move up. Then it will mean that the price will have open space to reach this area where the supply zone is, 1.086. From there, everything depends what the market will do. Will the market try to break to the above and then open the space to move to the upside, or it will stay here making an indecision area for a while? So for now, I'm still moving outside of the market, watching how the market will look, and there for now, for me, there is no clear signal where the market could move for sure. Everything depends where the breakout will happen, and also we can see that the next week the month ends, and also we can see that there is still critical levels that needs to be broken to the downside to close the week and also to the month as a bearish one. But if the price goes above, it will be much more, because we will see the breakout of this downtrend channel. That will mean that the price has moved from the strong selling pressure into indecision area between the buyers here and also the sellers that are pushing the price here. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!